So my theory is that we're getting in a date string that we're returning out to be something different. That's my theory. So let's just see what happens if case initial. Okay, so we print the JSON array first as a string, and we print it as a date, and then we print it as a date as an ISO string. Let's see what happens here. It's just all no. Nice. Wait, what? That shouldn't happen. Oh, yeah. Send that. Of course. Send that. Yeah, that's better. See? That is exactly the problem that's happening here. Ooh, god damn it. Can we set the nanoseconds of a date object? Possibly. Ooh, man. That's fun, huh? That's very fun. Very fun. So we need to set the nanosecond of the data. And then we still have to set the Swift state sets. Right. Wait, can I just do... Wait. Let's see if we have, we're working with data representation and ASCII format to use. iSudo formatters. Wait, what the heck is, what format is that? Yeah, it doesn't even have milliseconds really. Okay. Okay. Well. Data formatting date formatter. tell me though what parameters they support. Set date formats. I don't want calendar for systems. Oh my god. Swift date formatter. Okay, but what are all the different things you support? Thank you very much. Oh my god, the documentation is so bad. So bad. Thank you. It doesn't even have all of them? You are fucking me right now. Okay, this is all of them. This is not even... Like, what the fuck happened with this? Ah! I'm dying. What happens if I just do 6 S's? What happens? It's just still 0. Okay, time to use ChatGPT. And I have to log in again. So bear with me for 1 second. I think the music might be a little bit loud. Okay. Open the app. Oh, money. How I change the... Let's start with milliseconds for now. In offer date object. Okay. It's fine. I think we could do regex replace and just remove the entire component of this and just handle it separately. I think that might be a good idea. Thanks. Write a regex replace insert will replace all occurrence one or more A's with one B. Ah, right, they have the new regex thing now. Okay. So let's do this. SCR equals SCR replacing occurrences of regex, which is dot B plus with nom Code failed. Uh, huh? Okay. And then we set the nanoseconds. Uh-huh. That's right. Yeah, that's probably how I'm gonna be doing it. Okay. So now we have the thing without any sub-second values, and now we just have to add them all back in. Which should be simple. If contains, I think there's only one option to have a dot, right? I think so. Okay. So now we take milli is I think this should work, right? I need like a playground or something. Don't I have a playground opened? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Uh-huh. Maybe. We'll get in this. We don't need your iKid. Thank you very much. Okay. And now we run these two commands. And let's see what's gonna happen. Uh-huh. And we do want to have from start to finish. Well. Nice, that worked. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Cool. Next up, we pad it to the right until it has 9 digits. While milli and smaller 9 milli plus equals 0, right? Because 3 is milli, micro, nano. So I guess we should call it nano. Okay. And then we copy this stuff from ChatGPT. H. Nanosecond is equal to and then self equals. Yeah. Okay. Let's indent it a little bit. There we go. Oh. Uh-huh. That kind of makes sense. Right. Full rate. Guard let full rate equals to this, else return no. And there we go. I think now we should have the exact same string coming out as came in. What? What the frick? Oh no. I feel like the int parsing might have fucked it up. Nope. Okay. Well, in that case, we just maybe don't do equals, but plus equals. Which? Oh. There we go. Please tell me that we get the same string out that we got in. Okay. Remove all these prints. Try again. No, why? How is it possible that we get this and this? The frick? The frick? Ah, Jesus Christ. That's so weird, dude. Milli micro nano. So that's 3 times 3. We want 9 digits. Maybe? I'm screwing up the... Oh. Oh, these are the seconds. I'm totally just screwing up. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm screwing up this part because I'm expecting there to be the dot. Yeah. Okay. Uh, uh, maybe? Just like this? Um, dot. Let's see. Yeah, that's not really correct. Yes! Oh my goodness. Okay. Immediately commit this because that's actually pretty big. Correctly parse nanoseconds. No, microseconds. Okay. Whew. That's good. Now I'm really hoping that Python doesn't under the hood store um, actual nanoseconds. That would be a problem. Okay. So we have just fixed our date parsing. And now we can try this whole thing again. Seeing if hopefully the messages don't get repeated over and over again. So we should see a empty result. Well, now I'm worried again because we are getting a parent. Print out, but then nothing that follows it, which is always fun. Did we accidentally create an infinite loop somewhere? We must have, because oh no, we haven't. It's just a timeout because there's no new messages. It's working, right? Like if I send a new message here, well, it's not instant. I blame the sleep that we added here. Let's quickly go ahead and comment out all of this. And I think we just made a real-time messenger. A little worrying that this It's completely broken. But I guess let's just use the on-screen keyboard. Okay, almost. Okay. We run into an infinite loop as soon as we get one message, which is, I think, because the yeah, okay, so here's what's happening, right? I think we should only parse the datetime from ISO format in the query here, but not down here, because the wait for new messages is gonna use Redis, which only supports strings and no date format. So we actually shouldn't be doing this, but should be replacing this with this. And now the more I think about it, I don't even think we need this at all, because I think the issue we were trying to fix here has now been fixed at a different place. And now we can just do this. Let's see. Nope. Not at all. Okay. Let's just maybe restart the Python server and see if that changes anything. Nope. Let's restart the Redis server and see if that changes anything. Nope. Okay, what's happening? Let's try this and re-add the sleep. Oh, I still have to start process. Okay, so we keep getting this message back. Which is worrying, because we should be filtering it out. Oh, please don't tell me Python actually stores it with nanoseconds. Yeah, it kind of worked beforehand, so, well, I mean, now we're using the Redis cache, right? Where are they? I couldn't tell you if the query returns it. Okay. Let's just check, right? So we have the param, and I do want to get this first sent out so that we can get the string and look at where we get back here, because it should not be the same value that we put in as a parameter. Otherwise, something is going wrong. So I'm telling it No way. It is off by one. See, the after said because we're doing forwards. And forwards is using the first message. So, okay, wait, I think I need to take a quick 2-second break. I'll be right back. I don't really know how to mute myself. I might just do this. All right. We are making some progress on the stupid bug. See, we're getting back a message that got sent 1 microsecond after the one that we are querying for. And I have a feeling there's something going wrong with the parsing again. So let's do this again. I'm not quite sure where the mistake happens, but it has to be along this chain, most definitely. So, yeah, we turn the string into another string that's one lower. And that should definitely not be the case. So let's see. I would say we should be able to debug this in the diagram here. Let's just take in this string right here. So we have str is equal to this, then date is equal to date iso string. We definitely should add a let, and then out string is equal to date dot iso format. Okay. So if we run this, we get out this. Yeah, okay. So what I want to see is if it goes wrong at the parsing or at the formatting step. There's like 2 steps to this, right? We want to have 19, but we get back 18. So let's see what happens here. Nano has 19. And then this thing has 19. But for some reason, once we do this, it's only an 18. What's up with that? What is up with that? How's that even possible? Like, where did these nanoseconds come from? Wait a second. Can we watch this, please? Let test is equal to this. What is the value of test? Can we please run this again? Zero. Okay. So what happens? We do that after we just add up the nanoseconds. Test. Let's run this one again. I have a feeling. Okay, but like, also possible that here it's a clean 9,000, and then all of a sudden up here it's now an 8,972. Where did those 28 nanoseconds go? I don't like that.
There's something.
I don't like that at all.
I think
Well, I think the dirty hack to this is just to add 500. But it's not great. I just don't have a better answer right now, and I don't want to waste any more time on this. So let's do the same thing in our actual code. Add 500 to this. So that way we always round the right way. Okay. Whoop. I didn't open my messages. That was kind of close. Okay. So here we should be able to, what do we call the last commit? Correctly parse microseconds. Fix nanosecond formatting. Okay. And then here we fix initial message load. Okay. And I think this we don't need anymore. So let's stash it away and see if it works. And if it's real time, most importantly. Yeah, we're looking good. Why is this a default emoji? Jesus Christ. Okay. And now we run it on the second phone and see if we have a real-time conversation happening. G. Well, that's not working. Did I disable the task? No, I did not. It's also not printing the various new messages. Yeah. That's just fucking perfect. So it's just not working at all. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Yeah. Cool. Cool. How about okay. I think this we should actually do when we close the thing and not when we open it. I think that's already an improvement. Now, why isn't it real time though? That's a good question. Great question. All this we should already commit because I know that this is going to be necessary. So we have fix reopen chat. But the whole Redis thing doesn't really seem to be working right now. So now we at least can add a new message here, and then when we reopen it, we can see it. Okay, so that's good. But Redis is still not really playing along here. Let's check. Let's check. So say start Redis waiter. Here we print that we get a message. Here we hit that it's old. Then GT of greater than. And here we print it. Okay. Now, I do wonder when we're sending the Redis message, because if the thing hasn't fully made it into the database yet, that might be an issue. We are stringifying anything that we put into here, so that's not really an issue. Never mind. That is an issue. I think I just figured it out. Yep. It's not ISO format. Yep. Figured it out. Okay. So let's test our hypothesis. And ISO format this little guy. That's gonna be it. Let's see. J. Yes. Oh my god. We're real time. That's a big relief. Okay. Cool. Okay. We just build a real-time messenger with long polling. And Django and SwiftUI. Bidirectional. Ooh, this is not good. This is not good at all. No. Why? Why? Let's get back to it. See, I don't think this really works. Because no, we shouldn't do it this way. We should find a better solution for this. So we should have first load complete. On the messages for ConBody, and then first load complete equals true. And here, if not first load complete, return. Yeah, that's already better. Still though, we do have a bit of a situation here where we do get I know why. Send message should actually not attach the message, because we will get it back from the server. Yep. So here we should now have a to-do at and name message and add UI for it. Fix duplicate message on sent. Nice. Okay. And now we're holding iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, iOS. Ooh, one thing we should test is emojis. Nice. Okay. We have a fully working messenger. That's good. Now, I don't really want to build the UI for this yet because I have an idea for it. How to properly build this. We might still have to add a timeout. Because I think we have a bunch of listeners now that never closed. So if I close the simulator completely, okay. We're using PubSub, right? July 12. Okay, wait, I need to respond to an email real fast. 1 second. Real quick. July 12. July 12. 6 p.m. That was time sensitive. Let's get back to it. Okay. Redis. So I think we have a PubSub, right? That's how this whole thing works. Yeah. PS equals PubSub. Return and publish subscribe. Okay. So now we want to get all subscribers. Returns the number of subscribers for this page. Exclusive of subscribed parents. For the specified channels. Now that it is also this empty list. So thumbs up. And what channel? We call it Convo. And then the convoy. Right. And the convoy ID. Let's find the convoy ID. Jason was never used. let's do it like this. Scroll view. Print opened combo ID. This is the combo ID. Now we need a Redis client running on localhost. I think it was as easy as doing apk add Redis in an Alpine Docker container, and then CLI. Yes. However, we have to do network host, and then we can do Redis CLI. We can do numsub combo. But can I? Do I have to put it in a string or do I just do like this? There's 7 subscribers to this right now. Yikes. Ooh, it's not good. So that means the listeners never cleaned up, which means I have to find a solution. I'm seconds would be 16. So we do need daytime. Start is equal to daytime now. If daytime now. I do think we can just subtract them. And then you can see. For each 2 seconds. Return. And if message equal to equalize, continue. Well, maybe we should just call it ping. Ping makes more sense. I got ideas, right? So either this might just perpetually create messages on its own. I kind of doubt that. So it's 0 now. We run the thing. And now we have 1 subscriber, which is fine. Even if I close the phone, it's fine to still have 1 subscriber. But if we wait 60 seconds, when the time jumps to 12:25, then it should be gone. And I don't think it works that easily. One thing we could do is make sure that we have at most 1 listener per convo open. But yeah, that's not great either. What if we have a cron job that just goes into every single open pub sub and sends a ping every 60 seconds or so. So let's just first check if this magically works, which I don't think it will. And it's still open. Okay, so we have to close it. Well, okay, let's just double check if I send sub publish channel message. So if I publish this channel the message of ping, then it should be 0 now because it realizes that the timeout has been reached. Okay, that's something. Just means we have to find all the open channels. Well, we should have a channel open before we try this ball. Let's open the channel. And we have one. Okay. So it should be pretty easy. Write a cron job for this. I do wonder if I can just say Redis client dot no sub channels. Okay, how do we do this? How about we call? Nope, not in Steam, just in here. We test.sh. H. It does a bunch of different things. Starts run server. Starts Redis. Manage. Probably also. That's the smart thing to do. There we go. Server. And then it will also scene. No, let's make it a management command. I always forget how these work. Single custom management command. Management commands, and all of them have an input. Easy. Then we create a in Redis. Fine. And then I think it has to have like this text. And then from scene dot Redis. And space command up. equals sends a message to all currently arguments, we just handle it. So Redis dot client dot channels for channel in channels. Redis client pops up. How do we do the right? Yes, there it is. I can't believe that my back button doesn't work. Oh, I think that's something I have to do manually. Anyway, publish channel thing, and that should be it. And now we should be able to do a run and run is a method that while true do keep 10 done Python manage I ping Redis. Maybe. Let's see if this works. Can't open file manage.py. No such file or directory. Okay. That seems to have worked. Empty array. So if we start oh, the server's not running. God damn it. Well, let's. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Okay, whatever. Run server. Ping Redis. Okay, so now the server is running. We can start subscribing to stuff. If we open the Redis CLI, we have one channel open. Even if we close this and stop the phone from doing anything, we still have one channel. Even if we run the ping, we still have one channel because we need to wait for 1 minute to run out. Should have looked at the time when we started this, but I think it should be around 12:33 and 10 seconds or something. Might be a good time to get some coffee. However, I think that's going to mess up my synchronization of audio and video, which is pretty good right now. And I don't think it's going to stay that way if I reconnect my AirPods based on previous experience. So that's a bit of a bummer. Channel's still open. We do a ping, and the channel is closed. Nice, we figured it out. Again, should not be opening my messengers on stream. Okay, so let's see if my little script here does what it's supposed to. Let's maybe sleep for 60 because we're in a dev environment anyways. So instead of run server, it is going to be dev. I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh, we should have removed this and commented it out, but unimportant. Clean up pending Redis subscriptions and add 60 seconds timeout. Nice. So now, if we open chat, we have to wait 60 seconds, or up to 120 seconds to be precise. Yes, that is indeed correct. Oops, channels. And it should clean up automatically, which is nice. Okay, so well, I guess I could take my laptop with me to get coffee. Then I don't have to disconnect the AirPods. I might actually do that. It sounds a little crazy, but I don't think it is. Okay, so let's wait for this to work, and then we get some coffee. I think it's probably going to be another 20 seconds or so. Ooh, nice. Okay, perfect. I'm very, very happy with this. Very, very happy. Okay, let's look at our roadmap, shall we? To-do list. Real-time message events. Boom. Next up, reactions. Maybe we want to do photo and video messages first. Let me think. So I've had to think, and I'm by now pretty set on using our little HLS packing file. I think we can just literally copy this off a bar and use this to locally process the files and turn video files into M3 U8 streams. I will have to, and please tell me by now you index this stuff. I will have to see where exactly this is called. Generate stream. Okay, that doesn't seem too bad, in my opinion. We should probably do it on a different thread. Might be time for coffee. Might be time for coffee. Okay. The setup is actually quite remarkable. Oh man. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I need more hands. I don't have enough hands. What the? C6. This is C6. I will have to eat something at some point, but I think I'm good for a while. I can't even see anything because I turned the screen off. I think it's better that way. I need to figure out a better way to hold this. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Do you want to charge my phone? Okay. I think we're still in sync, which is good. Okay. I think uploading video files and then turning them into M3 U8 streams for every single video upload might be a good way to start this whole processing pipeline. And that way we can assume every single video file always has a stream associated with it. So we have uploads stored in the media folder. Well, let me just check if my email has been answered. Okay. Next up, uploading files to the server and hosting them via the media repository. Let's see. I completely forget how media storage works. I do think we want to strip away the file name somebody has uploaded something with. I'm not even sure if my own REST Swift API is compatible with Django uploads. But I think it is, because we have the multi-part form data thing, which is exactly how Django expects the whole thing to go. So we probably want to have a plus button right here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Scene App and set the tint color to white. I think that's gonna improve the visuals a little bit. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of feeling orange, you know? Green is nice as well. Okay. So we add a plus button to the compose field. And we send media files. Let's just not worry about having full URLs. Let's just say the URL is always going to be not a URL field, but a text field. How about we do file ID? Just blank and nullable. And true and null. Do we have the URL somewhere? Yes. that will now be file ID. Yes, okay. Better. And here I also want to go to the message.swift. Change all of these to be called file ID. Okay. That's where the commit. But we still have to make the migration for it. There we go. Maybe I should add that to the def command, huh? Change messages URL to file ID. Nice. That's change. Okay. I do believe that we want to create a new method to make UUID file uploads and go file upload UUID path. Instance found. Okay. So we have file path, import from OS path, import text. Wait, what? Upload. No, actually, screw that. We just returned it. Yes. I do like that. Okay. Now we should be able to say class file upload models model UUID is equal to models.UUID field primary key equals to true, default is UUID, and then file equal to file field upload to is equal to file path. Let's just call it UUID path. Okay. And then we do want to have created ad, and we do want to have an uploader. To user. Do we want to call it file upload or just upload? Let's just call it upload. And on delete, we have set default. And it can be blank. Then the default is, actually no, it cannot be blank. The default is admin default. And admin default returns okay, try return user objects get is for user equals to true, username equals to accept if user objects get okay, so the problem is that we might have not use a super user. We don't want to make a super user filter. No. And equal to first and brief through return admin. Otherwise, and new. Then we I guess we should. I think that's good. So now we create a new view. I don't remember how we get the files from this. Do we know anything about it? I think it might be data. So now we have we add file upload.
No, I know. I didn't know you were.
So we don't need any of this anymore because we are using cookie authentication, which is much easier. So we can just do literally this. That's much easier. And now we write a method to upload files, which should be very easy because I already have a REST method written for this. So public static func upload file with file name, which is a string, and data, which is data. So I guess one thing we can do is give it proper labels with file name, and then of course it's asynchronous, and we'll use the REST upload file to URL upload with data and file name. Nice. I do like this. I do like this. So what if we just go ahead and in our content view, when the whole thing boots, we put in a await API.upload file with new data from single null byte, and the file name is test.bin. Okay. We should actually return the file ID for this. So result equals this. And then we want to return a optional string, which is return result empty guard/result equals result, else return no, return, you know what, let's just do the same thing we've done for all of them because I love it. Inconsistent. So we have the empty JSON default, and then we just return the problem is that we want to have URLs that have a file extension. The whole file ID thing isn't really correct, but that's okay. Result file ID string. Okay. And I guess this is a discardable result. Now let's see what we get in our console printout. We're never returning response, that's okay. Okay. I would say we have two working alternatives here. Why not just for file and request files values and file, return response empty string for now. How about we string arrays first? Because we might upload more than one file at once at the endpoint, but I only want to ever upload one in Swift. Let's try this again and see if we still get the file out. Yes, test.bin. That seems correct. And values gives us the files. So we do upload file and uploader request user.save. And then, well, I guess it's not called file ID anymore, it's more than one, so we should call it file IDs. File IDs is equal to empty array, and then we just return file IDs. Okay. So now we just have to append the upload file. I don't understand why it's not loading the reference of this. File field URL. Go to no. No, none of this is working. Okay, let's just Google it. Django file field. Field. Has a URL. Yes. I do want to say that I want to return the URL. As a relative. So. Well, let's just do URL for now and see what happens. I don't think I'm printing it. Nope, I'm not printing it. Has it been uploaded though? It has not. No such table seen upload. Well, let's maybe add migrations. And I do want to add it to the dev file because I'm tired of doing this. Make migrations. Migrate. Did it work? It worked. Now let's go ahead and print it. I forgot the closing parentheses. Nice. Pretty much exactly what I've been looking for. So how about we make sure that we always run it as insecure, and then Django media because we have to set the media file root or something. Media root and media URL. Media and media URL. Where is it being uploaded right now? Yeah, literally in the main folder, which is not good. It is a little bit weird that I'm not seeing anything here. Then again, there's only a null byte in there, so might not be an issue. Okay, let's take a look at our settings and set media to be media and media URL to be media. Does it have to have a slash in it or something? I don't think so. Default empty string. It must end in a slash if that's a non-empty value. Why don't you just add a slash? Okay. rm r.bin and run the server. This should totally be get ignored. But I guess I could touch it keep and then that's exactly what I mean. And then git add force media keep. Yeah. And I'll upload. So now, I guess one thing we could try is to add actual content to this. Start the dev server again, reboot the app, and see if we get 2 characters in a file in here. Not really what I was expecting. Well, I guess it has to be hex 60 and not actual 60. Well, maybe I just don't know ASCII as well as I thought I did. But yeah, that's good. I like that. Okay, next up. Upload images. I guess we should properly show this in the to-do list. Okay. We want to do send image messages, show image messages, and then the same for video. And I think after sending video messages, that's when we add HLS package. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. Next up, send image messages. There's just one thing I have to do real quick, which is important. Okay. I am gonna quickly check if we're still synced up. Audio and video, that is. Um, let's see if we are in sync. Well, that didn't work. Well, that didn't work. I think we're fine. It should be fine. I hope it's fine. Okay. Play. Start sending image messages. So we discard this change of this line. Go to the compose field and we add a button. Media funk media is. So this is going to be a camera roll. Suitcase rolling. Yes. Imagining. Photos app. I don't know. I like this one. Let's use this. Well, we don't need the rotation effect. I guess we do need more spacing now. So how about we adding to the trailing? Yeah, that looks pretty good. And again, I think we should probably have equal horizontal trail. Okay. And now I want to pick a picture. Do we have an open combo message stage? Message. Yes. Okay. I think we do want to have the combo D. Body string question. No, I don't. We might have more than one combo at a time. Okay. Back to business. Compose field. Already. Let's hand over to upload a media file. How do we pick the single SwiftUI media picker? Bring a photos picker to your SwiftUI. Load an image collection. Let me just. Oops. I will be right back. What is it? Photos UI? Photo picker? Selection, matching, lib, preferred item encoding. The encoding was already an issue before for me. I've kind of done this before. Preferred item encoding current. Okay. So it was this one with media. Look, I think this should kind of be its own component. Adds media button, and it has combo ID, and then we turn it into view component. Add media button, which imports picture and photos UI, and then we have the add media button view, which has a body, and a convo ID string, and a media, which is transferable. And the label here is then the image that we just removed here before. So here we have the add media button, convo ID, and media is of course empty. Okay. And we should make it I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think he likes the transferable. Photo picker item. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens if we click the button there. Open. Okay. So I guess what we can do is watch it on change of media. We print all 0. Photo. Okay. Encoding should be current, because otherwise it's breaking some items. Allow format. What is the name of the friggin' matching? Okay. All of real images and video. Pictures. Maybe any of images and videos? Because nothing is ever both. Yeah, that seems to work. Okay. now we should be able to receive this as a binary file, the file name. So data formats available with deck if let media equals $0. Media dot attempting to restore. Oh. It's just restored manually by restarting Xcode. Formats, supported content types. Okay, let's just quickly take a look at the load transferable. Yes. Okay. How do you do it in the tutorial by Apple? Result. Load transferable. I don't think that image works. Type. Profile image. Well, I think we kind of do want to do this. Oh, okay. And we have to define all those classes manually, which is amazing. Well, what the heck is a HEIC picture? And how can I find it? Transferable media. Yes. Okay. Okay, so guard let new media equals else return. Okay. Okay. And then we have async function handle movie upload for URL async. And the same for image. Parameter expecting synchronous function too. Okay. Well, that's fine. We can wrap all of this in the task. Okay. That is fine as well. It is kind of crazy that you need to copy all of this code so many times. I mean, the only thing that differs here is this, right? Can I just write like one method for this? I think I tried that before and it didn't work. Like, this is exactly the same across all of them, right? Yes. So importing is this type. So we should be able to say import anything is a method that has received data of this type, and then it returns item. And we do this. Right, because item escaping, yeah. That's exactly the problem. Well, what does it return? Init what? What is it returning? Is it item? Oh, it's a movie. So this one should have a item of type transferable. URL transferable, and then the protocol extends transferable and has a let URL URL. Get buffer init URL URL. Does this work? No, this doesn't work. Let's see. Import anything, $0. All failed. Requires that movie confirms to URL transferable. I don't think I need to throw here. I do need to throw here. God damn it. And try wait. Okay. So in theory, we can shorten all of this down to one line now. I'm just not entirely sure. If it's doing the thing that I want it to do. Um, I mean, let's try the following. Uh, for each. Okay. Maybe. What? Of course. Oh, never mind. Cannot pass function to curve to expecting some function to. Okay. Alternative. For t in type e. Nice. Okay, that's a lot shorter now. It's still kind of ugly, but I think it's better than it was before. Okay. So, print, you're out. And then we should trigger this breakpoint once we select the photo. Yes. Well, I mean, it's printing it. It's not really. Wait, did it hit the movie upload? No. Please tell me it didn't hit the movie upload. Oh. Yeah, okay. We don't have that distinction anymore. Key, that's not a big deal. We just have to check the file extension here. Either be HEIC, JPEG, or a MOV or any video format. The request timed out. Well, I wonder where the timeout happens. Because I do think that it will cause this thing to sleep. Let's see. And I don't want it to think that the internet connection broke just because we had a purposeful timeout. One minute has to pass before the timeout happens. Yeah, this is not good. So in that case, I think here's what we should do. I don't know what we should do. This one is getting hit, right? Um, does it have a description? The request timed out. Okay. So maybe we add a new parameter here that's called expect timeout. Not great. It is not great. It also means that we have to put it in here and in JSON request and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't really want to. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Now we need to do this. Okay. Ooh. First of all, I think we want to have a well.
Yes.
We do want to pre-process at least images. I think videos will be pre-processed by the server, but images we should pre-process locally. So if URL string your paste is 6 .mock or MP4, I guess. I mean, we have JPEG. What is the live picture going to be? Live picture. I guess I need to test on a real device first. I think I need to test on my actual phone. Do I have a photo in my camera? I do. Okay. Well, let's test this. I'll open my QuickTime so you can see it on the screen. New movie recording. Okay. Turn this on you guys now. It's updating apps. That's great. That's just great. I think we have to wait for Google Maps to update before we can start. Of course. Oh, I think it's time for ngrok. HTTP. What is it? 8,000. Local host. Okay. No, it should work. Hopefully. Doesn't really look like it's working. Quite honest with you. Is it because I don't have an open conversation yet? I don't think that's it. So I might have to run it. Yeah. Load host. That's correct. Okay. Configured. Hi. Allowed host is everything. Now it works. Great. Okay. We will start a conversation with our new just stored in a to-do file. This little guy. So the content view has a task, which is a combo start, and of course Swift doesn't support single quote strings. There we go. We have a combo with 2 people in it. And as soon as I hit this button, I should be able to select this file, which is a live image for sure. And we're getting an HEIC back, which is good, because it means we have an image file that we can load. So let's try to how do we put this in the background task? I don't think we have to. Okay. Data equals data local data from local hero. How does this work again? Or path or something? No, data from file path. Initializes a newly created file here, referencing the local file or free path. Yes. Absolutely. There a file here. Okay, wait. Data? No? Decoder? No, that's not it. Referencing data. Not it. Contents. Then we have image equals data, and then we use convert data to expected. That's because we need to use a UI image with the data. Port let data else return called let data return. And then let's just do an overlay for now. I guess our apps are converse state use image, which is of type image question mark, and then we import Swift UI here. Then we go to our content view and overlay with let image equals. Yeah, let's put it into auth state and not into converse state. Okay, I just want to just quickly stage all of this so that we can go to the auth stage and put in an image overlay, which is with UI imports. And then we go back to content view and say image equals auth state dot image overlay, and then we do image. Now we should be able to see the picture that we just selected. As an overlay. I mean, yeah, we still have the breakpoint. One await main actor.run state of image equals image. Okay. Init UI image. Nice. Now we can select this little live image right here, and boom, here it is. A little bit big. Here it is. Okay, I love this. So we'll figure out whatever we do with this after we remove this, and we should be good to go. Well, no, that's okay. Yeah, this we don't want to store. That's for sure. Okay. Start media upload. What we need to do next is treat differently the images from the videos. So we should go back to the media button. Let suffix equals URL to string separate it by dot. If JPEG, if MOV, MP4, what other, anything else contains suffix, return, and here so here we process it to be smaller. We want to make sure that we JPEG file with 90% size and a maximum resolution of 1080p. So similarly to how we get a local URL here, I think I want to write a service to compress images. Or as image compression, we have an enum image compression, which has a public static func make URLs for the image UI image, which is async and returns a URL. So we take for image, yeah, no, we don't need to. plus dot JPEG. Copy equals right. Return copy. Import Swift UI. Data is image JPEG data comparison quality 0.85 should be fine. Right. Right. God dang it. Data right to copy. Data equals no, return no. If no, no. Optional type. Okay. So we should probably call it URL and not copy. Now I still want to resize it. ChatGPT to the rescue. Well, we can use this tab. Oh my god, what's happening? Write a script method that function except from your image and returns small UI image. The resizing should the aspect ratio intact and should resize the image so that the long side of it is less than or equal to 1 pixel. If the image is already in that size, it should not be enlarged. There we go. Okay. That's exactly what I want. Copy code. Resize image. Target size equal 80. That image equals resize image. It's a static function. have a feeling that it's gonna mess up the rotation. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. Oops. Media button. Let URL equals to image compression, make URL for image. Don't think it should. Is there any await in here? I don't think so. Okay. Let URL equals make URL. Okay. So how about we do another method and call this one handle media. And then we upload handle upload for URL. And we do that in both cases. Short, let's return. Okay. And I guess now I can just do this. And then we return here. Nice. How about we just await API.upload file. And we load this. URL string last component. How does that work? Last path component. What are you? The URL. So what the hell is the last path component then? Not so sure. Let's check. PO. Last path component. It's probably the full file name. Yes, which is exactly what we want. Might be a little long. Yeah. How about we do can we get the file extension from it? File extension? Okay. That's gonna be my savior. So we can simply call it file. So let's see what happens. Consecutive. Oh, I guess we need a guard. Let's see what happens. And if the file got resized correctly. However, count for data file, no such file directory. What? Me? Okay. So it did upload it correctly. Let's reveal doesn't find it. Be big. Heck. What's the resolution of it? It's way too big. So this is clearly not working. I think we need to set the ratio, the correct pixel ratio. I don't know. But it's definitely not working right now. I don't really have a good idea for how to approach this. So, I mean, first of all, let's delete this file. Let's print new image dot size width and height. And let's upload the file again. Why can't I hit the button for the death of me? Oh, because we had a breakpoint. Oh, whatever. Wait, what is happening? Okay, now it's working. It should be a 10 times 1080. But the real file is way bigger because of the scaling factor. So we have 1080. I think it's the scale factor is probably 3. That's my understanding. So it's probably exactly 1080 times 3. Which is a bit frustrating. I mean, there's just check here, like what's happening right there. Oh, of course, we never return because it is. Well, we give it a size, but how do we give it a scale factor? Or like a pixel ratio, whatever it's called. See, like, okay, let's just Google Swift resize UI image. I think ChatGPT did a bad job here. No, it's actually not this. Yeah, the project's going well. I'm trying to store image files right now, so I'm uploading them to my Python server, and you can see the image uploads correctly. But the size is way too big. Like if you zoom in here, the resolution is insane, and I'm trying to resize it to be smaller. And I'm pretty sure that the problem is the scale factor of the image render. So I think the only thing I still need to do is to set the scale UI graphics image render, and then the file. Just a quick overview for the to-do list. We're currently doing this, send image messages, and we're almost done with it. Almost done. Right. We have to go to format. That's what it is. Okay, so here the next parameter is going to be called format, and now we should be able to our file, our image from the camera roll, upload it to the server, and because it's very high resolution, it will get resized and it will be smaller by the time it gets uploaded to the server. So let's just show that to Finder. Delete those. Make sure we can see the newest one getting uploaded. So I'm picking this picture right here. It gets uploaded to the server. It's only 400 kilobytes now. Nice. And it has a size of 1080. That's exactly what we're looking for. Perfect. Okay. So we've uploaded our media correctly. We just haven't sent the media message with it yet. So let's just quickly see. Add image uploading. And we have a full picture on the server. And now we just need to get the URL of it and attach it to our media message. So after we're done uploading it, I want to see it. What's coming out at the end of it. Print file ID. Let's see. I guess we can also attach it to the card. That makes this a little bit easier. Okay. Well, I guess since we're kind of done testing the live photos, we can just go ahead and test on the simulator again. That makes things a little bit easier. Let's see. Perfect. So this is going to be the full path to the image to download for the client, making things very, very easy. So I think all we need to do is install Kingfisher, because I haven't found a better way to cache images locally with SwiftUI. Let's get the Kingfisher GitHub repo URL in here, and it should be version 7.0. Oh, no, 7.8.1. 7.8. Add package. Nice. Okay. So we are able to send message. I guess we call it a media. No, send message to phone ID with file ID or mtype image. Oh,